I'm cold.
I can tell.
Like your car done?
Yeah, I can tell.
It's done, isn't it? I can tell.
You care about her a lot. I can tell. She's great.
I'm relieved.
I can tell.
Excuse me.
Hey, American, I'm sorry we couldn't help you.
You know where she is. I can tell.
But your father was right. You are a hero. I can tell.
It's too fast! How could you even tell what's on?
I can tell.
You have a tight family. I can tell.
Yeah,
Right?
you're right.
How do you know that?
I can tell. I'm not a kid anymore. I know when you're hiding stuff.
He likes you, by the way. Colin. I can tell.
Really?
We're working as hard as we can.
Yeah, I can tell. Victor was right.
I live on this reef, a long, long way from here.
Oh boy, this is gonna be good, I can tell.
And my son, Nemo.
Hey, you in the army, right? I can tell.
Yes, ma'am. 3 years.
I missed you.
I can tell.
I was thinking, everyone's here.
Follow me.
That guy in the orange jacket is mentally retarded.
See, I can tell. Very, very sad.